Alright, today we are replacing the battery in this PlayStation 4 controller. I went ahead and bought a kit that comes with two of these replacement batteries. This one has a big and a small plug based upon how old your controller is. This one also comes with a pry kit and a 2.0 screwdriver, and I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there to get yours. First thing you want to do is there are 4 screws. They look like this, very small, right here, here, and here. Remove those. Next, you want to pry this back cover off, and I like to start right here. You can get in there pretty easily. Work your pry tool around, and then do the same thing on the other side. Once you pry that off, you just put that off to the side. Now you have access to your clip here, and the biggest thing I can say is do not pull super firm, because this is soldered in, and it will, if you pull kind of side to side, it'll pull this soldered piece off. So you can see I removed the original one. This takes the smaller clip, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. Alright, so I've got the new battery in. This one takes the smaller plug, so you just want to make sure that goes in there like so. And again, just don't do any side to side tension, and just tuck this back up in here. And then you want to, when you close this up, make sure this lip goes underneath here like so. Squeeze it back together, put your 4 screws back in, and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.